Dear student, welcome to this session. So I am Khalil Ahmed Chikkerur, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, SS Government First Grade College, Nargund. So Maths Paper 2, Vector Calculus and Differential Equation. In this session, we discuss about derivatives of vector function. So in earlier classes, we have studied about derivative of vector point function and d by dt of f of t plus or minus g of t is equal to d by dt of f of t plus or minus d by dt of g of t. So start with theorem number 2, continue. If f of theorem number 2 statement, if f of t comma g of t are differentiable vector function of scalar variable t, then d by dt of f cross g equal to f cross dg by dt plus df by dt cross g. So derivative of cross product, here order is important, so we cannot interchange the order. So f cross d by dg by dt plus df by dt cross g. Proof, let capital G of t equal to f of t cross g of t. So by the definition of to conclude definition of derivative, that is, then g of t plus delta t minus g of t divided by delta t is equal to f of t plus delta t cross g of t plus delta t minus f of t cross g of t divided by delta t. So in the numerator, we add and subtract f of t plus delta t cross g of t, this term. So minus f of t plus delta t cross g of t plus f of t plus delta t cross g of t. So denominator, so numerator is become f of t plus delta t cross g of t plus delta t minus f of t plus delta t cross g of t plus f of t plus delta t cross g of t minus f of t cross g of t. So in f of t plus, in the first two term, f of t plus delta t, if you take common, so cross, so what is remaining is g of t plus delta t minus g of t divided by delta t plus, so here also g of t common, so plus f of t plus, in the last two term g of t is common, so f of t plus delta t minus f of t divided by delta t cross g of t. Taking limit as delta t tends to 0, limit delta t tends to 0, g of t plus delta t minus g of t divided by delta t equal to limit delta t tends to 0, f of t plus delta t into f of t plus delta t cross. So g of t plus delta t minus g of t divided by delta t plus limit delta t tends to 0, f of t plus delta t minus f of t divided by delta t cross g of t. So by the definition of derivative, so left hand side equal to d by dt of g of t, and right hand side is f of t plus, So limit delta t tends to second term is d by dt of g of t plus d by dt of f of t cross g of t. So therefore d by dt of g equal to f cross dg by dt plus df by dt cross g of g. So derivative of cross product is equal to f cross dg by dt plus df by dt cross g. Similarly, we can prove this term d by dt of f dot g equal to f dot d by dt of g plus d by dt of f dot g, d by dt of f dot g. So second, d by dt of phi of f equal to phi dt by df plus d phi by dt into f. Next, theorem number 3. If a of t comma b of t c of t are differential vector function of scalar variable t, then d by dt of a b c, that is scalar triple product, is equal to dA by dt bc plus in bracket a db by dt c plus in bracket ab dc by dt. That is scalar product. Derivative of scalar product is sum of these three scalar product. Second one, d by dt of a cross in bracket b cross c is equal to dA by dt cross b cross c plus a cross db by dt cross c plus a cross b cross dc by dt. So proof 1, d by dt of a b c, that is scalar product. We know that the scalar product is equal to a b c, a dot b cross c. So d by dt of a dot b cross c. So by using theorem 1, so a dot d by dt of b cross c plus dA by dt cross b cross c. Again, actually dA by dt dot b cross c. So a dot b cross dc by dt plus db by dt cross c bracket complete plus the last term is same as the scalar triple product of dA by dt bc. So again this is equal to a dot b cross dc by dt plus a dot db by dt cross c plus dA by dt bc. So which is equal to scalar product of bracket a b dc by dt plus a db by dt c plus dA by dt bc. So d by dt of a b c equal to dA by dt bc plus a db by dt c plus a b dc by dt. So similarly we can prove for scalar triple product. So derivative of scalar triple product and derivative of scalar vector triple product. Some example, if s equal to 1 plus ti plus t square plus t plus 1 j plus t cube plus t square plus t plus 1 into k, then find modulus of ds by dt and mod of d square s by dt square, that is second derivative. So solution, if s is the given, so ds by dt is I plus 2t plus 1 into j plus 3t square plus 2t plus 1 into k. So differentiate ds by dt with respect to t, we get second derivative, that is d square s by dt square equal to, so I differentiation of I with respect to t is 0 because I coefficient of I is constant. So here 2t is 2j, 1 is 0 plus 3t square, differentiation of 3t square is 6t plus 2 into k. So mod of ds by dt is square root of sum of square of the coefficient of I, j, k. So square root of coefficient of I is 1, j is 2 plus 1, 2t plus 1, and k is 3t square plus 2t plus 1. So 1 square plus 2t plus 1 whole square plus 3t square plus 2t plus 1 whole square. And d square s mod of d square s by dt square is equal to, that is coefficient sum of square of coefficient of I, j, k. So there is no I term, so directly j. Coefficient of j is 2, k is 6t plus 2. So square root of 2 square plus 6t plus 2 whole square. Next example, if a equal to I plus tj plus t square k, then find a cross d by dt of b cross c at t equal to 0. So solution, first we find b cross c, then its derivative, then with a cross d by dt of b cross c. So start with b cross c. So by the definition, b cross c is third order determinant. So first row is I, j, k. Second is coefficient of I, j, k in a vector b. So vector b is ti plus sin t minus k. So t sin t minus t cos t 1 minus t. So if you simplify, we get minus t sin t plus 1 into I minus, so third order determinant expansion, minus t square, minus into minus, plus cos t into j plus t minus sin t cos t. So d by dt of b cross c, if you differentiate, minus uv form. So t sin t is cos t plus sin t, t is 1 into I, minus 2t plus sin t j plus t is 1, 1 minus cos 2t k. So now a cross d by dt of b cross c, which is equal to I, j, k, coefficient of I, j, k of a vector a, which is 1t square. So coefficient of I, j, k in d by dt of b cross c. d by dt of b cross c is also vector function. So minus t cos t plus sin t, 2t plus sin t, and 1 minus cos 2t. Hence t equal to 0. I, j, k 1, t equal to 0, t square is 0. So here cos t is 0 means cos 0 is 1, but t is 0, 0. So third row, first term is also 0. Second term, put t equal to sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1. So 1 minus cos 2 0 means cos 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. So a cross d by dt of b cross c equal to I, j, k 1 0 0 0 0 1. If you simplify, we get equal to 0. So a cross d by dt of b cross c is I, j, k 1 0 0 and 0 0 1 equal to 0. So, third example, if a, b are constant vector, w is a constant, and r equal to vector r equal to a cos wt plus b sin wt, then show that r cross dr by deta is w into a cross b. Solution, r equal to a cos wt plus b equal to sin wt. So dr by deta equal to minus a w sin t. Cos wt is minus w sin wt plus bw cos t, cos wt, sin t is cos wt. So r cross r is substitute the value of r. R is given vector which is equal to a cos wt plus b sin wt cross dr by dt is minus aw sin wt plus bw cos wt. So by simplifying and using a cross a is 0, b cross b is 0. This is property. So a cross a first term is 0. So a cross b w into cos square wt, cos wt into cos wt. So minus b cross a w sin wt into sin wt sin square, and the last term is b cross b is 0. So if taking w a cross b common from both the term, w into a cross b, so cos square wt plus sin square wt equal to, which is 1, because b cross a equal to minus of a cross b. So minus into minus plus. So minus of b cross a is same as plus a cross b. So a cross b into w common. So this w into a cross. So this is about references are these 3 books already shown. Thanking you.